Hello friends, you are with Vikas here in the wonderful session of English. Today we'll see adjective, a very nice, very interesting and very fantastic topic. We'll see adjective. It is not adjective, it is adjective, because whenever we use A and D, if J is written if J is written at the extreme point, A is written to the left extreme, D is not pronounced. It is called adjective. No, it is called adjective. Adjective. So it's different thing. We'll see adjective. What is adjective? Basically, we have learned adjective in our childhood days, but now whatever we see in adjective, that will be totally different. See, in earlier days, we have seen adjective is nothing but used to show the positive things about a noun or pronoun, but it is not like that. An adjective is basically used to show the details of a noun or pronoun. Only details. Details may be a very small thing and a very large thing. We have to keep it on your mind that an adjective is used to show the details of a noun or pronoun. It is adjective, adjective. So we see, for example, if I say Rahul is a good boy. As we know, boy is a noun. So what is the details of this boy? We have a details that this boy is what? Good. So we can say this is an adjective. If I say Mohit is an intelligent student. We know student is a noun. This is a noun. And what is the details of this student is what? Intelligent. We can say intelligent is an adjective. So whatever we give details to a noun or pronoun is called an adjective. One more example. This classroom, better. This classroom is big. We know classroom is what? It is a noun. And what is the details about this classroom? हमारे पास क्या details है इस classroom के बारे में? We have a details that this classroom is big. We can say this is an adjective. So adjective is used nothing but giving the details of a noun or pronoun. So there are a lot more types of adjective. We don't have to go through the types of adjective and so many things. We have to know the correct use of an adjective. What is an adjective and how it is basically used? We see what happens. There is a type of adjective, I can say adjective of number. See, there are two types of an adjective of number. First one is definite adjective of number. And you the guys are very smart. I know if one type is definite, the another would be indefinite. Indefinite adjective of number. Okay, we have to study this one. This is very, very important, and this is very easy also. See, definite adjective of number, it is again divided into three parts. Okay, first one is called cardinal number. You might have heard cardinal number. And the second one is called ordinal number. And the third one is called, it is called nominal number. Two types of questions are generally asked from this one: cardinal, ordinal, and nominal number. Cardinal number is what? Any number which we use to count any object. we say that is a cardinal number. If I ask you how many words are there on this board, you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this one. So this is the number used basically to count the number of objects. So I write here, used to count objects. Say for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. we can say. What is the ordinal number? This is a number basically used to show the position or order of a noun or pronoun or anything, we can say. I should write here, used to show the order or position of an object. We say, suppose there are 10 students in a queue. I ask who is the first, who is the second, who is the third, and who is the last. So basically I want to know the exact position or order of that person, thing, or etc. So whatever number we use to show the order or position of a noun, pronoun, or anything is called what? Ordinal number. So in this one, we must write first, second, etc., third, fourth, and in this one, we can also use next, we can use last also, etc. Okay. I hope you are just getting me what I'm just telling you. What is cardinal number, what is ordinal number. This is used for counting objects, and this is used for denoting or showing the order or sequence or position of a noun or pronoun or anything. Then what about nominal number? See, this is not exactly very much important for your examination, but for knowledge purpose, I'm just trying to tell you what is nominal number. But cardinal and ordinal numbers are very, very important number. I'll tell you how and which type of questions are generally asked. Nominal number is basically used to name an object. Whatever number we use for any place or a thing or a person. Suppose I know you are a very big fan of cricket, and in cricket, you know the name that is considered, you can say, the god of cricket. That is Sachin Tendulkar, is one of the best cricketers in the world. And I suppose and I hope you also know the number of the T-shirt which Sachin Tendulkar used to wear. What is the number of? Yes, you know very well. That is number 10. So, if I say in cricket, the T-shirt number 10, the name comes in on our mind is Sachin Tendulkar. So, this number has been used to name a person. If this number is used in football, the T-shirt number of 10 in football, which player is? Yes, I know very well. That you know, that is Lionel Messi. So this number is basically used to name a person or thing. Suppose I say 011. This is the steady code of what? Yes, New Delhi. If I say any number, you write 9971923788. This number is basically used for a person. So whatever number we use to name a person or thing is called nominal number. It is very easy to memorize. See. One thing, CA means count, ORD means what? Order, NOM means name. We can say cardinal, counting, ordinal, order, nominal, name. So this is all about the definite adjective of number. Now we'll see which type of questions are generally asked from cardinal, ordinal, nominal number. See. First of all, note number 1. This is what? The is used before an ordinal number. You have to keep it on your mind. Whenever we use any ordinal number, we have to use article the before that. For example, the first the second, the next, etc. This one is important. The second rule is, suppose I have to show order as well as number. Means I want to show two things at a time. That is position of a person or thing and number of persons or thing. Means to show both position and number of a thing or person. We use ordinal plus cardinal number. Yes, this has to be kept in your mind. Ordinal number, then cardinal number. Basically, questions are asked the two first. See, is it correct? No. Because 2 is what? Cardinal number. And first is what? Ordinal number. So, is it respective order? Not at all. It's totally wrong. It should be what? Cardinal, then ordinal. So, the right should be the first two, because this is what? Ordinal number, and this is what? Cardinal number. So, I hope you understood the basic concept of adjective and how it is used. Then adjective of number. There are two types of definite and indefinite. See, indefinite number of adjective, we can say in this one we have to study some, many, all, etc. So basically these are all about you can say adjective of number. Now we have to study degree of comparison. What is degree of comparison? Every adjective has, we can say, a degree of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Which are? I hope you have learnt it in your childhood days. That is positive degree. The second one is comparative degree. And the third one is superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. These are 3 degrees of comparison. I know you know very well that positive degree is what? Suppose I say tall. And what is the comparative degree of tall? It is taller. And what is the comparative degree of tall is taller, and what is the superlative degree of tall is tallest. We have to know the use of positive, comparative and superlative degree a little later. So I hope you have got it very well, and I request you all to memorize all these things, to revise all these things, and keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you.